with 200,000 cash, I feel very special. Swing that Lambo through the parking lot.
Let's get it. More free game. More free game. Anyway, YouTube, we back with another banger, man. We back with another banger. And I ain't gonna lie, I've never actually shared this story with anybody else. But this is my first time actually telling this story all, from beginning to end. Today, I will be telling you guys how I made 100,000. My first 100,000, actually. I will show you guys how I made my first 100,000 off one product. I know a lot of brand owners watching, y'all think that in order to make your first 100K, you gotta do a drop after a drop after a drop. That's not the case, man. You can easily make your first 100K off one product, and I will show you in this video, man. So stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know why I still got the remote in my hand. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. I've been giving y'all free game 2-3 times a week lately. It's like the past 2 months, I think. And I'm gonna stay consistent with this YouTube stuff. We on the way to 2,000 subscribers. If we're not there already, we might be close by the time I drop this video, man. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all got any other brand owner questions, make sure y'all drop them in the comments so I can answer it in the next video. So let's get into it. My first 100,000 with my clothing brand. Let me just tell y'all the feeling that I had when I made my first 100,000 with my brand. I was just shocked. I was just looking at my Shopify dashboard and was just like, this shit really says $100,000 right now. It was insane. And the fact that my brand was making $0 all the way up into 100,000, it was just a blessing. And I just knew that if I took it to 100, I could take it to 5, and I could take it to 1,000,000, right? So I ain't gonna lie, when I hit 100,000 though, I don't even think I really celebrated or anything. I don't think I even posted it. I think it was just really just a me moment, right? It was just me in the room damn, I made 100K. And then it was all right, back to work. You feel me? So the first thing you gotta have when you want to make your first 100,000, man, is to have a winning product, right? Have a winning product. That's basically the gist of making your first 100,000. You have to have a winning product. How do you have a winning product? You have to have a wow factor. The product has to have a wow factor. What was my wow factor? So this is my t-shirt right here that I did 100K with. And as you can see, there's 10 words on the front of this shirt. There's 10 words on the front of the shirt. And what it says is, that move you're scared to make might be the one. All right, a very, very powerful message, a powerful quote, man. Something that can make you really read it and think about it and really think about the things that you're doing in your life right now that you have yet to make a move on. I know there's a lot of you guys watching right now that are possibly thinking about starting a brand or thinking about your first drop or even thinking about your second drop and are constantly in and out, constantly making excuses and constantly just putting it away, man. And that is a move that you're scared to make because it might be the one to change your life, man. So just the message alone on this shirt was one of my wow factors. That's just one of them, all right? That's just one of them, but I think that was probably the biggest because you don't see this every day. I'm counting 10 words on this shirt and it's on the front. So it may seem like a lot, right? I got a lot of people that told me you should have put it on the back, but I was like, why put it on the back when that's the normal thing to do? Why don't I increase my wow factor and put it on the front? So now people are like, hold on, you got that shit on the front? Hold on, I ain't gonna lie, a lot of people are like, why is it on the front? It's weak, why is it on the front? But more people liked it than disliked it. So that's why I continue to promote the piece and drop it, right? So that's one of my wow factors right there, man, just having that message on this shirt. But I also put it on a trending piece. So if you guys know, if you guys are brand owners or if you guys are into fashion, a lot of brands from now all the way back until April of this year, 2024, we're doing a lot of the cropped oversized look. I feel like it's still in today, and that's what I did. So I took this shirt, put it on a cropped oversized blank. Well, not a blank, it's obviously cut and sewn from a manufacturer, but has some raw hems on the sleeve, got some raw hems on the bottom of the tee, and overall wash on the tee as well. As you can see, it goes from a dark to a lighter color, man. So just the blank that I used itself was a trendy piece, so that's what also added onto my wow factor because again, it's trending. So a lot of brands are using it, meaning it's just in, right? It's just something that's in and something that I knew would sell. On top of that, I added some details. I have my brand name right here as a woven tag, my brand Be Special as a woven tag on the tee. So that was pretty much my wow factor for this piece, man. Before we get to the offer, let's get to the strategy on what I did before I even dropped this shirt. So when I first made the shirt, I didn't even know how much pub that it was gonna get before I posted it, right? I made the shirt because I liked it. It's different. You don't see it every day. So I was like, all right, let's test it, right? I got the sample. As soon as I posted it on my story, y'all, I promise you, my followers were going crazy. Like, crazy. When is it coming out? What colors you got? Boom, boom, right? They were just intrigued on what this piece was, right? Once I saw that, I knew that I was gonna be able to build the demand, right? I knew that, okay, a lot of people want this, and I just posted on my story. That's all I did was post it on my story, and people wanted it. If I put it on TikTok, if I put it on Instagram, if I do some reels, I do some TikToks, I get on live and show the piece. If I can continue to promote it, I knew that this piece was gonna go viral, right? I got it on influencers. This is a piece that no one has ever seen. This is a piece that I have never sold. So I put it on influencers to, again, influence other people that this piece was fire, right? So I got it on a bunch of fashion influencers on Instagram, right? If you guys need influencers, make sure you join my Discord. In my description, I got them for completely free. I got them on influencers, right? They put on fits, crazy content, crazy photos, and I was able to repost that on my Instagram and my brand socials and show people that people really putting it on. These influencers really putting it on, and I'm gonna show you how to put it on. You feel me? So I made sure I had some fresh new content, man, that I can drive traffic to my SMS and email. So let's go to the offer, right? The offer was probably the biggest factor when making my 100,000 besides the wow factor. My first offer was I had multiple colorways. So this shirt had over 8 colorways. I started with orange, black, gray, purple, red. And then once I saw that this shirt was going viral and we started, getting a lot of sales and stuff, I added baby blue, brown, pink. So I had 8 total colors running, man. And that was one of the biggest factors for my 100,000, man, because I gave people options. Orange one, a purple, a black, whatever it is, they had options. And they just didn't have to buy just one shirt. They can get multiple colors. And on top of me having multiple colors, I was able to do bundle deals. So on my website, I had a bundle deal where it was like, okay, get 2 for $100. Before I get to the bundle deal, this shirt was only $65. It was just affordable. It wasn't like I was taxing for the shirt. It was only $65. And I feel like it could have been a little bit more, just for the simple fact of the quality, the fit, just the overall craftsmanship of the shirt. Should have been a little bit more than $65, but that's where I kept it at. That's where it was winning at, so I just kept it at 65, right? So I was able to do bundle deals. I was doing 2 for $100, and then I was doing, I don't know, I think it was like 3 for like $130, 4 for like $160, $170 or something like that, right? So people were able to get 4 shirts for under $200 in different colorways. So that made my average order value go up, and it made my sales go up as well, because a customer isn't just making a $65 order, they're doing a $180 order or a $100 order or a $150 order, that type of thing. So that made my AOV go up. On top of that, on my website, I have a pop-up. As soon as you visit my website, I have a 10% pop-up where you can put your phone number in and get 10% off immediately. So that was another offer I had right there, man. People were able to get 10% off this shirt right here if they put their phone number in instantly. I had another offer where if you spend over $200, you got a free item. The free item was actually these Be Special glasses that I have, as y'all can see, these Be Special glasses. So you got a free pair of Be Special glasses when you spend over $200 or more. So the customer is like, okay, I get a free item when I spend $200. Maybe I'm at $180 right now. Oh, I just need one more shirt. Okay, I'm gonna get one more shirt. So now they got 5 shirts and they're able to get a free pair of glasses, man. So those were my offers, man. And those offers made a big contribution to my 100,000 because customers weren't limited. That's really what it is. These customers weren't limited, and they were able to get discounts and bundle deals and pick from different colorways. So they had multiple options on how to buy. So I had my winning product, I had my wow factor, I had my offer, and I had my strategy before I even dropped, y'all. And I remember on drop day, we probably did about 10 to 15,000 on drop day, not too much. And then a lot of my sales came like throughout the month, right? It wasn't like, oh, on drop day I hit 50,000, 70,000 or 100,000. No, it was, drop day was actually very light, man. Drop day was like 10 to 15,000. And then I slowly made my 100K throughout the months, man. So my organic sales started to slow down around 60 to 70,000. And then we started pushing ads, which made this shirt just skyrocket, man. It made it skyrocket just for the simple fact that if you know, you know. If you run ads, the content is what you need. That's the biggest factor, man. If you have great content, your ads are gonna flourish, man. So I had a bunch of content from my organic sales and my customers wearing it, influencers wearing it, a bunch of content. So I was able to take that, put it into the ad library and run ads on it. And that's what made me jump from 60K all the way up to 100K, man. I'm gonna let you guys know that right now, it's not hard. And I know a lot of you guys watching are like, oh, it's easy for him to say that because he already did it, boom, boom, boom. I said the same thing when I was watching other YouTubers say that it was easy to hit 100K. And then I hit my first 100K and I was like, okay, that wasn't too bad, right? That wasn't too bad. I just had to be organized, I had to strategize, and I had to really plan out my drop. And after I drop, I still have to promote. And that's the problem with you guys. You guys drop and it just expect to just blow up, right? You have to drop and continue to promote, continue to promote. It's not hard if you put your mind to it, man. And you have to put action to a lot of the things that you say, all the notes that you're taking right now during this video. Make sure to take action, man. Make sure to take action. Get a mentor. If you're stuck, man, there are helpful resources for you like YouTube, free Discord groups like mine in the description, mentorships, man. I have a mentorship as well, link in the description, man. If you need help, there's always help for you, man. There's no excuses. There's absolutely no excuses. I'm gonna tell you guys this, making my first 100,000, even though I said it was easy, there were also some struggles, right? There's always gonna be struggles when it comes to this, owning a business, because you're an entrepreneur, you're owning your business, you're taking a business from down here to up here. That's not easy. But I'm not gonna say it's not easy because I'm contradicting myself. But what I'm trying to say is it just takes hard work, man. It takes hard work. I'm gonna just tell you to stay level-headed. Don't stress, stay level-headed, man. And don't let things wear on you, right? Especially for things you can't control. If a manufacturer scam you, if a manufacturer messes up your bulk order, a manufacturer messes up your sample, that's really something you can't control, but you can, right? Why don't you work with a trusted manufacturer? Don't work with a new manufacturer that you just found on Instagram. Make sure you get a trusted manufacturer that is reliable. And if you don't have any, make sure to use your resources and find a clothing brand owner that are offering trusted manufacturers. A lot of your guys' egos are really, really big, and you don't want help from anyone. You just want to figure it out on your own, which is fine, but you're gonna make a lot more mistakes doing that other than finding help from someone that's already doing it. And solve problems. You're an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs solve problems. Business owners solve problems. CEOs solve problems. You have to be a problem solver in this business, man. If something comes about and it's a problem, you can't sit there and cry about it. You can't sit there and mope and complain and all that stuff. Figure it out. At the end of the day, this is your business. You have to figure it out one way or another, or nobody else is gonna do it for you. Make sure you're a problem solver before you're a complainer, please. Because that's just what's gonna make your business really flourish if you become a problem solver rather than a complainer. Customers are gonna complain when it comes to your business. They want their order as soon as possible. They want next day shipping like Amazon. And sometimes it's just not like that, right? Us clothing brand owners might have to do a pre-order drop just because we don't have enough money for the bulk yet. So maybe your customer has to wait 2 to 3 weeks for the item, man. And you know, customers just sometimes just don't understand that. So they're gonna be constantly contacting you like, where's my order? What's going on? You're a scam, when in reality, you're just waiting for your manufacturer to be done with your bulk order. So again, make sure you have great customer service, man. Make sure you have somebody taking care of your customer service, customer emails, answering DMs, man, and reply to your customers, all right? Don't just ignore them because you know the merch is on the way and you know they're gonna get it. make sure you reply to them and let them know, hey, our bulk will be done in about a week. It's getting shipped and it will be to you within 2 weeks, right? Just keep that communication, man, because communication solves a lot of problems. Communication solves a lot of problems. What do I do when I'm stressed? When I'm stressed, I go play basketball, right? I used to play basketball when I was in college. I go hoop, I go hang on my people, go hang on my family, you know, go hang on my friends. I go take a trip, right? Or I go out the city for a little bit, hour or two out the city and just, you know, just have some peace, right? Just go out to the mountains or something and just chill and just look at the scenery, watch the stars, just be in like nature, right? Just be in nature and just get away from a bunch of technology and your face is in front of the screen all the time, you know. I'll go work out, I'll go to the gym, pump some weights a little bit, work out, run, you know, whatever it is, just to get my mind off the brand a little bit, right? And at the end of the day, I ain't gonna lie, at the end of the day, that might actually help you guys a lot, because a lot of the stress could be taken off if you go get that massage, go get that spa day and just really take care of yourself, because that mental health, that physical health, that self health is really important, man. Like, forget about the money. Your health is the most important besides money, man. So look, I just showed y'all how I made my first 100K, man. And if you didn't get no information from this video, you gotta watch it again. Go ahead, watch it again. Scroll all the way back to 0 and watch it again, because I just gave y'all some crazy sauce, man. Crazy sauce on how I made my first 100 with this shirt, man. So look, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm constantly giving y'all free game. Follow my socials. At Elohim is my personal, at BSpecialTM is my brand page, man. If you're a brand owner or a potential brand owner, make sure you join that Discord. Link in the description. Is completely free, and I'm giving you guys just a bunch of resources that you can that can help you right now. Literally setting up your website, business credit, manufacturers, influencers, pre-order and pre-made method, all type of stuff, man. Everything is in that Discord and it's completely free. We got a new drop coming October 18th, so make sure you guys are tuned in for that. As y'all can see, we have our Common is Boring tees with the outside stitch, different panels on the tee as well. On the bottom, it's a little wrinkled because it was in my bag, but this is just a revamp from this shirt, right? That's a whole nother video. Let me chill. All right, bet. So look, we got a new drop coming October 18th. If y'all rocking with this shirt right here, we got 3 different colors, green, orange, and black. So make sure y'all tap in, man. Make sure y'all hit that link in the description to sign up for my SMS, where you will get a discount code, free shipping, and early access for the drop, man. And support your boy. You dig? Like, comment, and subscribe. Mr. B Special, we out.